Y'all seen that horrid episode of Friends where Chandler and the tanning booth had a messy encounter? Hi, my name is Pamela Price and I'm the spray tan class educator from Toronto, Canada. I would like to chat with you about the #1 fear of all people considering to have a spray tan. That's right, turning orange. First of all, tanning booths and airbrush custom spray tans are two totally different experiences. Think drive-through car wash versus hand detailed. When you have an experienced sunless artist apply your tan, you're much more likely to have an even, natural looking outcome. Tanning artists have so much control over the products and application process, unlike a machine operated booth. Not dissing the booth, but a more precise application certainly reduces the risk of a brassy or orange look that can happen when tanning solutions are not applied correctly. Let's look at 3 main causes to the dreaded orange tan. Oversaturation, using too much product tends to create an unnatural look. Number 2, DHA levels, which are too high for certain skin types. If you're naturally fair, it's not recommended to go too dark. And number 3, not prepping the skin properly, especially in drier areas where the skin texture is different, like the hands or the feet. The great thing is that there's so many amazing products, equipment, and tools which are available now and allow spray tans to look gorgeous and natural. Don't forget, proper training and education is a must when it comes to any profession. If you want the results, trust the professionals. For more great tips and info about spray tanning and sunless education, check out spraytanclass.com. Thanks for tuning in.